Welcome to our video on the dietary supplements industry. We'll explore the costs, market dynamics, and opportunities for growth in this rapidly evolving sector. Understanding these elements is crucial for new market players and established companies alike. The dietary supplements market is experiencing significant growth, driven by a rising interest in healthy lifestyles. Consumers are increasingly aware of the benefits of natural methods for health and fitness, boosting demand for supplements containing amino acids, vitamins, and herbs. Entering the supplements market offers promising prospects due to the growing demand and perceived health benefits. The global dietary supplements market reached a value of $178.82 billion in 2023, showcasing its dynamic growth. The compound annual growth rate, CAGR, is 8.8%, indicating that the market will continue to expand rapidly, attracting increasing investments. Data for 2024 is not yet available, but the growth trend suggests that the market's global value this year will surpass that of 2023. Initial investment in supplement production at international organic company involves costs for raw materials, product development, and packaging design. For a brand, the average cost in 2024 is around €9,500 for 2,500 to 5,000 pieces, with potential for cost optimization through strategic partnerships. Cost management is vital for financial success in supplement production. Optimizing production processes and negotiating with suppliers can reduce costs. Transparency in pricing and flexibility in project implementation are key to maintaining competitiveness and profitability. Market entry support includes consultations and market analysis to identify niches and target group expectations. Effective marketing strategies are crucial for product success, involving promotional campaigns and customer communication to build brand awareness and attract customers. Long-term development in the supplements industry requires innovation and adaptation to market trends. This involves creating new product formulations and expanding into international markets. Staying competitive means continuously optimizing processes and monitoring industry trends. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the dietary supplements industry. By understanding costs, market dynamics, and innovation opportunities, businesses can successfully navigate this sector and achieve long-term growth and competitiveness. Please visit our website, producentsuplemental.pel. Thank you.